We are at our best. You don't think I'm at my best? That's what I thought. Here's the deal. Hi, I'm Carissa. This is my YouTube channel. It's summer and I can't get out of pools or the sunshine, which means I'm not putting on makeup or doing my hair or my job. That has been a problem and I'm going to try to get better about it for you guys. I decided that it doesn't matter if I'm wearing makeup, right? I don't need to wear makeup to do a YouTube video. I can just present myself as is and hope for the best. What we are doing today is an unboxing of the Fab Fit Fun, Fab Fit Fun. This is not sponsored. I actually decided that I was gonna get this box because about a year and a half ago, I did a really not very nice review of the Fab Fit Fun box. They sent it to me in promo mail and I was like, wow, this sucks and it's not worth your money and you shouldn't buy it. And I thought, well, it's been a year and a half. Let's buy it with my own money and let's see what happens. I decided to do that because I did see what they were putting in the boxes and I thought that actually looks kind of fun. Here we are doing a new review. I was ready to be very grumpy about this box. I was ready to tell you guys that this box is bullshit and again, you should not spend the $40 on it. Last time I got this box, I wasn't impressed. This time, first of all, the box is beautiful, but that doesn't matter, right? We don't care what the box looks like, it matters what's inside. And I just opened it and Nat and Jay were sitting there and they were like, oh, you have to do this on camera because you're like real excited about what's happening in here. And I am. This is, like I said, 40 bucks. Did not have high hopes for this, but everything in here is something that I want this time. There is an LMS enzyme peel mask. Honestly, probably not something that I will use too much. It's like a exfoliation thing for your skin. I probably don't really need it. This is kind of stuff I'm not super excited about. This is another exfoliator. Why I need 2 exfoliators in one box, I'm not sure. I mean, my skin's not that rough, y'all. They also sent a sunscreen. I do always need more sunscreen, especially for my face, so this will be going in my bag. I obviously haven't used these products yet. I'm just feeling like a little bit excited about them. Let's see what this is like. This is like a classic sunscreen. It says it's white tea moisturizer. Goes on pretty smooth, doesn't have that like white mineral-y look. It smells nice. Yeah, this is gonna go in my bag. I always need sunscreen. Sunscreen's important. I'm 33. Get sunscreen. One more thing that I don't especially care about. This did leave a little bit of an oil stain on the box, so beware of that, I guess. This is a Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. I am assuming that that means a scrub. It's a little oily on the lid. I mean, this probably isn't my favorite thing I've ever touched. It's just oil with a bunch of scrub stuff in it. Apparently it's made out of lava and sea salt and charcoal. And to be honest, I feel like Hawaiians might be a little bit sensitive about the lava thing right now. So now we're getting into the stuff that I'm interested in. I have no idea what this is. It just says Pure One Imports, and I didn't want to open it without you guys, so I didn't. Oh, okay, this is just a jewelry holder, very cute, faux marble on glass, gold rim around it. This is the kind of thing that I generally throw away because God knows I do not need more tiny little things cluttering up my life. I might actually put a candle on this though, on some shelving that I'm doing in my bedroom, and that could be cute. Not mad at this. Like this a lot. Next is some kind of summer towel that looks so fun. I am so excited about it. I love a summer towel and I never want to buy them because every time I go to the store, they're like $25 and I'm like, no, 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 no. This is just a giant beach towel. You guys, I love a beach towel. Okay, this makes me happy. I like it. It's by Summer and Rose. I don't know who that is. Apparently someone who wanted to help Fab Fit Fun make a lot of money and put things in their box. This is cute. I will be using it a lot. So the other thing that you get in this box is a Tarte Pro palette. It's the highlighting, contouring palette. Y'all, I'll be real. I'm not going to contour or highlight my face probably anytime soon. But am I real excited about this? Yes, yes, I am. I feel like this makes the entire thing. Oh, there you are, baby. Hey, 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 hey. This makes the entire thing worth it for me. We got a new camera for Jay to vlog with, because that's a thing that's gonna happen pretty soon. But I am using it now because my other camera just died. I'm sure that the picture is funky or weird. I don't know. I've never used it before and I'm a little bit stressed about it, and I can't see myself. It doesn't have a flip up screen. Am I in the screen?
You are in the shot.
Am I perfectly in the screen?
You're beautiful. You're perfect always.
Is there too much space above my head?
There's no space above your head.
Truly?
Truly.
It's just head?
An inch.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay. What we were talking about is the Tarte Pro palette. I don't do makeup, so I have no idea how to use this or how to show you guys this, but we're gonna pretend like we're a pro. BB, can you see my hand?
Yes, I can.
Can you see that there's a highlighter on it?
Yes.
Yeah, we are doing it. Okay, so that's one of them. That's just how you do it, right? You just say like, that's one of them.
Yeah.
That's another one of them. With a different finger. Yeah, nailing it.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
That's the only one that like isn't your skin tone.
Oh, really? Oh,
on camera.
Oh, that one's pretty. I would definitely use that as an eyeshadow. And the other is a Sculpt powder, which I think is a nice color for, what's it called? Contouring. I do kind of contour my cheeks. I really just use bronzer. There is one liquid color or cream that I would never know how to use this, but it is a darker color, which is nice. I definitely think that this is for more fair or fair to medium complected people. So I was pretty excited. When I opened this, I was like, makeup, pretty expensive makeup. I just care that it's expensive. I might not ever use this, but it's like heavy and nice, and I want it in my life. Also, I have already ruined the packaging. It's a mess, but it was very pretty for a minute. A straw came in this.
Wait.
This is true. I thought that this was maybe just my trash. But this says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. I assume that this is a paper straw. We've kind of been talking about buying paper straws for the car and stuff like that. It's got cute little toidles all over it.
Cute little what?
Toidles. You know, if you're on the no plastic straws craze and you're worried about accessibility for people, paper straws might be the way to go. So this was in the box. And the last thing that is in the box, the big seller for this box, I think, is the Luna, it says Fofo Fuchsia. This is the Foreo. It says, get smart about your skin. Know it, perfect it, love it. This measures skin moisture. Holy shit. Okay, wait. I didn't know it did that. Customizes your cleansing routine. Your app records your progress. Oh, well, I feel rude about that. They're gonna watch me fucking wash my face. They're gonna know how often I wash my face. I don't know. Ta-da. What's this? What is these? What is this? I've got to read some instructions. At first glance, this has a camera on the back of it.
What is this thing?
I'm pretty sure it's a vibrator. It's not a vibrator. It's to wash your skin. That's amazing. Oh, this feels nice, babe. But it buzzes just like an electronic toothbrush, where it like tells you to like move around your face. And because this is, sorry, I'm talking to you guys, because this is silicone, it's antimicrobial and antibacterial, so you don't have to like worry about it getting nasty, which is why I can put it all over my sweaty face right now. Why is there a camera there? Is it watching us? Okay, if you would like a review on the Foreo, and I can tell you all about how the app works and stuff, let me know, and I will do that. This is, okay.
Oh, it's like an Oreo.
No, baby, you don't need it.
Well, no, but it's the shape of an Oreo.
You're so hungry. Honestly, my skincare routine at night is kind of boring, and this makes me feel a little bit fancier about it. Like I use like a, you know, no scent oatmeal wash that my dermatologist makes me use. And I feel like this could make it just a little bit more fun, which is nice. So going to try this. You guys, I think that the summer FabFitFun box is actually worth it. It was 40 bucks. Also, I think my outlook is a little bit different because for a while there I was getting a lot of subscription boxes and I was like, I don't need any of this and I hate it all. But right now I'm not getting any subscription boxes. So this was a pretty fun little surprise. I think I like everything that came in it. And I just wanted to update you guys that I like this because the last time I was very rude and maybe even said that FabFitFun was appropriative and a terrible company for something that they said or sent. So, changes.
Except for that Hawaiian thing with the lava.
Right, very insensitive.
Yeah.
That is it for this video. If you liked this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, did you guys see my new intro? What do you think? Did you like it? Okay, as always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Beach towel, would you like to see it?
You're calling it a towel.
Towel?
Towel.
It's a towel.
Yeah, towel.
A towel. Towel.
Like a towel?
Like a towel. It's not a towel.
Yes,
it's a towel.
How's it spelled? T-O-W-L?
It's spelled as W-E-L. But it's called towel. You know, when your vibrator runs out of batteries and you're running around your house looking for something to masturbate with, and we've all masturbated with a toothbrush before, this is a much better option.
That's not strong enough.